Welcome to 3-Line Email Magic.
Attention! Are you sick and tired of trying to create and send emails for passive profits but failing? Are you finding an easy mailing system that can help you to get more leads, send emails, get more inboxes, opens, clicks and monetize with DFY buyer getting email copies? I find a solution. Mustack here. I want to show you that. Before going to show that, I have a question. Do you know over 90% Warrior Plus, Jazoo and ClickBank's marketers are generating their 90% commissions from emails? Yes, it's true. But here are some problems. Problem number 1, buyer getting copywriting is not so easy. Problem number 2, it's very time consuming. Problem number 3, it's costly if you try to write by hiring a copywriter. If you can able to hire a copywriter, then there are also some problems. Hiring a copywriter. Problem 1, the copywriter charges $500 to $300 for making email copies for a month. Hiring a copywriter. Problem 2, most of the copywriters provided email copies are so long, maybe 20 lines to 40 lines. It's a big change to have many spam words in a long email copy. PEO people are also feeling bored reading a long email copy, so they just skip. To get more results, you need to express everything in a short email copy. But here also another problem: it's very hard to express a complete message in a short email copy. Luckily, I found a perfect solution for all of those problems. From now, you don't need to write a single email copy by yourself. You don't need to spend a single minute of time. You don't need to hire a copywriter. Without doing those, you can get more inboxes, more opens, more clicks and monetize with DFY buyer getting email copies. But how? I made an all-in-one solution. Introducing 3-Line Email Magic. 3-Line Email Magic is a done-for-you super powerful 3-line mail copy bundle that gets more inboxes, more opens, more clicks and more sales. 3-Line Email Magic is not only a short email system, but also a usable one email copy for all offers for the entire niche. With only 3 simple steps, you can get more inboxes, more opens, more clicks and more sales. Step number 1, copy our 3-Line Email Magic copies and insert your affiliate link or any link where you want to drive traffic. Step number 2, paste into autoresponder, no matter if you don't have an autoresponder and autoresponder setting knowledge. We will show how to use a free autoresponder and how set up and manage. Step number 3, watch the result and get profiting entire the month or year. Not only get the 3-Line Email Magic copies, but also get the exact 6-in-1 bundle that is the reason for banking 1K daily for many marketers. Number 1, 45 days DFY fresh follow-up email copy. We will give you 45 days of fresh DFY email follow-up sequences which will be created by our team and will be sent to you. Each and every copy is fresh. No PLR or stock copies. Copy-paste those fresh copies without spending tons of time and money. Number 2, lead generation software, tools, and training. We will provide you with lead generation training, giveaway tools, and cloud-based software for generating your leads. Number 3, autoresponder setup training and free autoresponder. Guiding you on how to set up your email campaigns inside an autoresponder system. Don't think about autoresponder charges. I will show you how to use free or trial platforms until you make a handsome amount. Number 4, A to Z guide to protect from spam. guiding you on how to avoid spam words in your marketing email copies. No spam means more inboxes, more opens, more clicks, and more sales, which you expect. Guiding you on how to avoid spam words in your marketing email copies. No spam means more inboxes, more opens, more clicks, and more sales, which you expect. Number 5, auto-checking and finding spam and secret spam removing system. Guiding you on how you will check and find spam words and how to alter those spam words into powerful buyer-getting words secretly. Number 6, guide to use one copy for multiple offers. Guiding you on how to use a single email copy for entire the niche. Using multiple emails means more email sending, more inboxes, more opens, more clicks, and more sales, which you expect. In the meantime, I already disclosed all about 3-line email magic, which gives you 45 days of buyer getting email copies and a guide on how to get more inboxes, more opens, more clicks, and more sales. So why are you waiting for? Click the button below and grab your copy now. Make sure your order is before going price up.